So with the rise of popularity of futures trading, I thought this video was perfect to make. There's a lot of people out there that are working towards becoming a full-time trader, or there are traders who are transitioning into full-time. And so to me, this is a setup that is, I'm going to use the buzzword in the community, mechanical, to where if you just wait for the setup to happen or just look for it on a daily basis, then you'll be able to hit those layups, take the 25 points, 50 points from Nasdaq that you're looking for that will help you, transition. I think a lot of people, they want to be full-time traders, but they look at everybody else in the industry and they're like, man, I got to make like 30K a month. And realistically, never in your life have you ever made 30K a month. And so that's where something that I'm trying to kind of debunk here is that, if you're making like $200, $300 a day, you're pretty much making more than just the average 9-to-5 worker. And realistically, you're looking at anywhere from 15 to 25 points of Nasdaq movement to hit your numbers. So 15 points of movement is $300, 25 points is $500 on Nasdaq. And so in today's video, I want to go ahead and show you exactly how I made $900 on live stream. So right around 45 points on Nasdaq within about a 20-minute span. We took a long entry right here off of Nasdaq about where it was open. I think it was about an hour after open. I came down in here to look. We had a hard sell-off. Next thing to do is obviously look left on the charts and figure out where a potential stopping level is at. And that's what I did on the 15-minute. I liked this candle formation here, so I just drew out my box. I scaled it down and waited on the 5-minute until we had some sort of confirmation in the box area. We had a slight break of it, but then we had kind of like displacement back into the inside of the box. And then we had a nice little confirmation bullish candle here to let us know that price could potentially reverse in this area. The keyword is potentially reverse there. Once that potential happened, I scaled it down again to a 1 minute to find my entry. And if you guys were watching on the live stream this morning, slight plug on my own video here, but youtube.com/bored and caffeinated. I choked this entry, this first initial entry here. It was just a slight liquidity grab, but I definitely thought it was gonna be a lot harder of a liquidity grab down into this kind of OB level here, but it did not. So instead of chasing this trade and just jumping in, the next thing to do is just wait for the leg back down, the retracement back down. And if we fail to break these lows, then that's where your entry is at. So that's what we did. We entered the trade, gave us a quick $25 or 25 point profit. And then I just decided to go ahead and let this hold. I had proper risk management set here. Price took another stab at taking these lows, failed to take lows, and then we ran for 45 points right back up. And so this was all just based off of just let price come into a level, reject the level, wait for confirmation in some sort of candlestick pattern before jumping in, and then just let it take you in the direction it wants to take you. So that was a nice little 45-point winner for us on live stream. So for all of the haters out there who say that I just faked that, I back tested it and found whenever price was going to do whatever it was going to do, clipped it for the video. Well, the next clip you're about to watch is the fast forwarded execution of the actual trade that we took on the live stream. So I don't know what else to say if you thought this trade was fake, but it wasn't. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick breakdown on the trade that I took on Nasdaq that made me 45 points, or also known as $900 on Nasdaq. Then go ahead, smash that subscribe button, leave a like, maybe a comment if you guys found some value in the strategy that I'm using to make trades like this on a daily basis. Also, if you guys just want to join a free community of other traders, I'm going to go ahead and link that down in the description down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.